Have you found an error while reviewing your download report? The most common error is to have a download attached to the wrong customer. Most often, these are new business policies mistakenly attached to the first client in the list that begins with the same letter of their name. This is fairly easy to correct. First, we need to know what date this occurred. You can find this using T-File and choosing all dates, then looking through the list for that download policy record. Once you find the date, run the download report all companies for that day and find the record in question. We are looking for the trans sequence number from this report. From the machine that you do downloads on, open up the Suspense Manager. In the Suspense Manager is an icon to reattach transactions. When you click this icon, the recent history is displayed in date order, starting with your most current transactions. Go down through the list to find the item or items matching the transaction sequence number from the report. You may find several items with that same number, as you may have had several supporting entries created along with the policy transaction. Click all of the items with that same transaction sequence number by holding the Control key while you click on each one. Once they are all selected, click OK and choose the client you wish to reattach these records to. If the client is not in the list, open the management system, enter the client, then return to the Suspense screen and click the green Refresh button. Select the client and click Yes to move the transactions.